Go ahead and place a new multi-state block in the scene and click on it to go to the properties. So you can click and hold. So the next thing that we're going to do is go into the different states for it. So for instance, the block state, you can choose whether you want it to move up to a spot, whether you want it to move back. You can also choose how long it takes and how much of a delay between the spot it is. So for instance, we could say it's going to move to the spot where it was before, but when we get to the delay, how about we do 10, which will be 1 second. So this time when we hit it, so when we hit, we have 1 second, and then it moves back down. So when you're working with each set of properties on it, again, you'll be able to choose the position but also the scale. You can say enable scale to and enable scale back. The option for the movement and the scale are going to be found in the second button. This will give you the position and the scale option for it. So for instance, we could say we want to move it 10, so it's going to increment 1 full square up above it. We can go back to time and say that the move to on the time, say it takes a whole second to get to and half a second to get back. Alright. So it's going to move up, wait, and then move back. And if you notice, there was a little bit of a smoothness easing in and easing out onto the block. Inside that second button we had right there, you have the tweening type. You've got ease in, ease out, and you can scrub through these. You'll see a whole bunch of different ones that you can use to put into it. Alright. The other option on this one, just so you understand it, say for instance we want to scale. We could say we want to scale it just a little bit left and right, maybe just 1 up right there. So if you have scale set, you have the option turned on. When you hit it, the object itself will just scale upwards and then goes back down. Alright, so there you go. That's going to be the basic setup for block and for those options for movement and scaling and speed based on the time.